Interconnect, and speaker cable terminations. Tara Labs uses only the finest terminations when terminating their audio cables. All interconnects feature custom design XLR, RCA, and BNC gold-plated terminations. Speaker cables are constructed using our Banana-Spade modules known as BSMs. This unique feature enables the audiophile the ability to interchange their terminations at will. This BSM technology proves invaluable when switching out multiple components. Each BSM is internally hollowed to ensure high-frequency extension. Each interconnect and speaker termination features an outer layer of gold plating consisting of 30 microns. The gold is layered over high copper content alloy. This ensures frequency linearity as well as audio band signal transfer. Tara Labs, unlike anything you've ever heard or imagined.